26.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS image sensor X processor 4. Newly designed 23mm f2 lens. 4K video recording. 3-inch rear tilting LCD touchscreen. Advanced hybrid viewfinder. AF performance at the luminance of 5 eV. Compact and lightweight design, weighing just 428 grams. Fujifilm X100V features a new 23mm lens to ensure that every detail from its X-Trans trademark CMOS 4 sensor is resolved beautifully. Enhanced for better resolution, lower distortion, this lens is a significant step up from the ones used in past X100 series cameras, but still maintains the same overall size and compatibility with legacy WCL/TCL conversion lens, while retaining its internal 4-stop ND filter. At the heart of Fujifilm X100V is the state-of-the-art X-Trans trademark CMOS 4 sensor and X processor 4 combination. The exceptional 26.1 megapixel sensor uses a back-illuminated design to maximize quality and dynamic range, while its unique color filter array controls moiré and false color without the need for an optical low-pass filter. Such outstanding imaging capability is complemented by the quad-core X processor 4. This powerful CPU not only ensures images are quickly and smoothly processed, but thanks to a new algorithm, boosts AF performance at the luminance of -5 eV.